Good morning, Eugene, Segovia, EZStudRack. Today's tip of the day. It's time to trash those big shelves. Think about it. If you look at this one video right here. It's a wall, garage wall. Does this look cluttered to you? With the EZStudRack storage system, you can go from this to this. You got fully adjustable shelves, 1x4s, 1x6s, 1x8s, 1x10s. Oh! Take advantage of the wall. Take advantage of that wall space, people. Come on. It's time to trash those big shelves. What do big shelves do? If you have a big shelf, you're always gonna stack stuff. Stack stuff, stack stuff, stack stuff. Next thing you know, it gets unorganized. You got spacing between the shelves. Let's think about this. The size of whatever you're storing, for example, let's say I got this cup. Say it's a paint can. Just imagine it being a paint can. You're only gonna need a 1x4 shelf. 1x4 is technically 3/4 by 3.25, 3.5, something like that. That way you store it, you see it. You're gonna only have one spot left you can put it in. So you're always gonna tend to put things back. You know what they say, bigger is better? In this case, I don't think so. You want small shelves that eliminate that wasted space. What I mean by eliminate wasted space, the gap between the fixed shelves. Just go into your pantry, go into your garage with those big shelves. You'll see what I'm talking about. Like most pantries, they all have deep, wide shelves. So what happens with deep, wide shelves? You always put it in different spots because it doesn't really have a particular location. The way I look at it, smaller is 20 times better. That's what she said. Not really. So remember, when you create that wall storage, and if you want to see a video, click on this one right here. And you'll be able to see where I started on that garage, and it was just clutter, clutter, clutter. It took me about, I don't know, 3 days in the afternoons. Check out that video. My buddy went out of town. I kind of surprised him with it. What the wow. You know, wow. What do you think?
That is like, wow.
So you still got room to park your vehicle in here. But I got little bottles here where you can start putting screws, nails, hooks. But think about that wall storage. When you walk in there, not only is it easy to find because you see it. One row deep storage. Remember, small shelves fit one item only. So when you get in, you get it done, you get satisfied, and then guess what? You're always gonna put it back. That little spot is begging for you to come back. Oh, fill me back in, fill me back in. You use it, you always put it back. Everything is easily adjustable, so you can move your shelves up and down. So think about that when it comes to organization. That is my tip for today. So when you get in fast and get out fast, less stress. You're not looking for items, spending all that time looking for items. Can you imagine if you were able to do a mental clock in your head as you're looking for something and that stress building up in your chest? Can you hear that cow in the background? I'm trying to shoot a video here and they don't get it. If you want to see other videos of where I organize, click down in the description. Just go through there and click on the different videos. Hey, subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to this channel. This is our channel. I'll do weekly, monthly, whenever I can, videos on how to get organized and stay organized. And check out my product. Again, make America great again. God bless you. Stay safe and keep at it. Keep at it. Keep at it.